lesson. In our previous lesson, we were learning about carbohydrates, and we agreed that carbohydrates are part of the chemical compounds that constitute living organisms. And we mentioned the three subdivisions of carbohydrates. So to remind ourselves, on your sticky notes, please write them down and stick them on the board. Everyone is writing the three categories of the carbohydrates? Very well. From what you have done, I can be able to see that we have monosaccharides, disaccharides, and the polysaccharides. So today we are going to dwell on the monosaccharides. So monosaccharides are the simplest form of carbohydrates with a chemical formula of 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms, and 6 oxygen atoms. And the major examples are glucose, which is found in blood, fructose, that is found in fruits, and galactose, that is found in milk. So we are going to look at the properties of monosaccharides. And one of the properties of monosaccharides is that they are soluble in water. So we are going to demonstrate that by taking the sample of the glucose molecule that are provided you at your working station. So you will take 2 spatulafuls of the glucose molecule, you put it in the water that has been measured at your beaker, which is 20 ml. So we are going to put inside the 2 spatulafuls of glucose. You can see glucose is white in color, it's a crystal that is white in color, and then we are going to stir using the stirring rod. What are we observing as we stir? Very well. I believe everybody is able to observe that it is dissolving in water. So one of the properties of the monosaccharides is that they are soluble in water. The second property is that the solution that we have prepared, we are going to measure 2 ml of the solution, and then we are going to put in a test tube, and then we also measure 2 ml of Benedict solution. Benedict solution is the blue solution that I've given you. So we are going, I had already measured mine, the 2 ml of Benedict solution. So please do the same, and then you add together and shake it. So using our test tube holders, we are going to heat it over a water bath. Remember, for our safety, we are going to use our test tube holder because the water bath is hot as we record the observation of the observations that we are making. So at the beginning of our experiment, we see our solution was blue in color. As we heat, I want us to record what we are seeing. Any changes that you are observing, you record down on the worksheet that I've provided. So as we continue to heat, you can shake it a little bit as you continue to heat. As you make your observation, very good, I can see everyone is doing the right thing. Yes, all of us are making those observations together with me. Very good. So our final color is giving us a brown-orange color. So we are going to remove it from the hot water bath and then put off our burners. So you can see from our observation we have observed the orange color, meaning that